What is up, guys? Back with another video. As you can tell by the title of the video, we're gonna be doing a little bit of a surprise, and she has no idea about this. I was hiding it in my trunk the whole time. Came in a few days ago, but today I felt like it was a good day. It was a good day to do it. You'll see why in a few. So let's go surprise her. Hey, babe. Astrid. Oh, there you are. Can you put this on, please? I hope you put it on. Hold on. All right. You want to stay right there, or you want to go in the chair?
Well, I can't.
Nah, it's gonna be funny seeing you trying to walk. Come on, let's go. Go sit on the chair. Yep, right there. 1 second, 1 second. Alright, so I know you've been needing this for about 2 or 3 weeks now, and I decided to get you this because I think it's something a little bit different. I think you'd like it. So.
Is it bags?
What?
Whoa. YouTube money still hasn't come in yet, so bags can wait. Alright? Alright, you can unfold it. Unfold your blindfold.
It came in! Oh my god! I'm
Yep.
so excited.
Come on, unbox it.
Give me something. Hold on, let me see. It's open. There's a lot of tape on here.
Yep.
Okay. They come with a lanyard. Oh my god.
Alright,
What does that mean?
I'm gonna keep that.
No, that means I need to get another car. That's what that means.
Alright.
Mine. Stickers. Oh, air fresheners too.
Alright, I'm gonna keep this for 240.
Fine.
Oh, what is that? Suede, bro?
It is suede. This is.
Oof. Damn, it feels nice.
Get a
actually.
quick. Go get my other steering wheel. See this difference.
Let's get our other steering wheel. Hold on. Damn, it's dark. Hold on, guys. Those self-closing doors, though. Well, as you guys can see, this is what happened to her Nardi steering wheel. So,
Didn't want to work.
it was looking bunk. So, yeah, decided to get her another one. This was leather, as you can see before. Pretty nice, pretty nice. But, decided to switch up to suede.
Let's see. Hold on. Same.
Yo, do we have a Allen key thingy for this?
We can check. I mean, it's in the guest room.
No, I don't think we have it, bro. I gotta go to a fucking AutoZone.
I'm in love. I actually do like this suede.
Aww.
I'm not gonna lie. Wow.
Alright, so I'm waiting for my boy AJ to come through. He's coming to get some tires that I'm going to give to him for free. And meanwhile, we're gonna go head to our local AutoZone.
I found it.
Alright, I guess it came with an Allen key.
Yeah, and it fits.
And it fits this same exact one.
Perfectly.
So I guess we don't have to go to AutoZone then. Well. Oh, what's up? It's AJ, the gay boy.
Hey, you don't gotta say that.
Just kidding, guys. He's not gay.
I'm a subscriber.
What else?
And I'm gay.
Oh!
Or should I keep it silver? I mean, it looks like it's the same.
I've been car shit in like 2 months.
Damn son.
See? It's the same thing. I can literally just keep this one and put. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Obviously. What the fuck?
Look at my little car girl.
Can you help me? Like, you're not.
Yeah, hold on. Alright, so, her horn was kind of fudged up, as you can see. This wire right here. So we're gonna go try to see if AutoZone carries anything like this, so, we'll be back. So, AutoZone closes in 13 minutes. Let's see if we'll make it. Alright. Oh. Would you look at that? There's people still here. Let's check it out. See if they didn't lock the door on us. Yes.
So you need tomorrow?
It's for a 2006 Nissan 350Z. Welp, Ripperino did not have the horn for the Z. So I guess that's gonna be another video later on. So
Fast forward? No, just kidding.
yeah. So I found out the screws that it comes with does not fit with the NRG hub. So we're gonna have to use the ones from the Nardi steering wheel for now until we find some different ones. There you go. Where's the other ones? Alright.
Did your exhaust just hang with you there?
It's not the exhaust, it's just the middle, the mid pipe.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it just likes to scrape.
Scraping's fun.
Yeah, bro? Yeah, I just like how people freeze up when they're in front of the camera, bro. He was legit talking for like 30 minutes straight, guys. As soon as I put the camera in his face, he stops. Look at him, he's blushing.
Phenomenal.
Alright, let's go.
Yay! Let's see, hopefully it's straight.
Yeah, hopefully. Guys, we don't know what we're doing.
Hopefully,
Let's get some lighting in here, bro.
watch out, that one twitches. See?
Bro, come on.
It's the count. What? What's that episode, SpongeBob?
That was you on the phone and you on the bus. Then who was flickering the lights? Nosferatu!
With the spatula? Anyways.
Alright, this is annoying. I'm gonna turn it off.
Go ahead. Oh my god, no, it won't go.
Your horn works, bro. This whole
My
time.
steering wheel, like.
Oh my god.
I put it on the wrong wire.
You're a zing.
Well, it fits. At least we know it fits.
You're a zing,
Should I
bro.
put it back on?
It's like fucking
Should I
10
put it
o'clock
back
at
on?
night. Yo, they are so mad right now.
Not loud. Turn it in. No?
Alright,
Ready?
yeah.
Bro, is it?
Send it. Yo, turn that shit off, bro. Oh, what the hell? So if you hold on the horn, it stops. What kind of fuckery is this?
If I press it too hard, it honks. If
This
I
is what
don't-
happens when you let a girl work on a car.
Bro.
Just kidding, guys. She's actually pretty good. But wow. All right, we're gonna have to fix that.
It's crooked. Damn it.
All right, we'll fix it.
Can you imagine if we left the...
All right, take 2.
Can you imagine if we left the garage door closed? I don't feel bad.
If it fucking goes off, we're leaving it like that. I'm just gonna drive like that. Oh, we got it, boy.
My steering wheel is still like a little bit off.
We got it, boy.
I just need an alignment, right? I was kidding. I was kidding.
You just need to put your wheel straight.
Yeah, I know.
How's it feel?
It's amazing. It's thick. It's real thick. It's super thick. Oh yeah. Stop, bro. I like it. It's nice and thick and it's more stirred. Stop. I'm dead serious. It feels way
All right,
better.
I'm gonna turn this off.
You're right. The suede is wood.
I wish this was in the day, but if y'all could see this,
Hold on.
put your flash on,
So
and it matches your Nismo seats, bro.
Yep.
Look at that.
See if it works. Oh! Oh shit. Okay, it works. I'm happy.
There you go. Well, guys, that pretty much wraps it up.
Sorry.
I appreciate you guys watching this video, this little install video / surprise. And as always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell button. I'll remember this time, babe. I remember.
Ooh.
I remember to say hit that bell this time.
Fix that, nice.
That's another video for another day. I'll catch you guys next
Look,
time.
I fixed it.
Peace.